Hello everyone. So I just had a bath. I always take a bath before bedtime, and I would just like to announce how sadly announce that my buy me a coffee page is now canceled. I had somebody there. I had a supporter send me $100, and I'm just waiting for them to pay me out, but they suddenly canceled it. So I hope that my supporter got his refund. Um, just it's the same thing happened on my Patreon before. All my supporters never got their refund from the Patreon. So so that's what I'm upset about before. So I hope this time the Buy Me a Coffee gave him back his money. But you can still support me on my Ko-Fi page. I still have a Ko-Fi page. So I never actually get anyone support me on my Buy Me a Coffee page, but just just this one supporter that sent me money there, and it suddenly canceled. So that's life, I guess. And you know that it was my birthday, and some of my supporters promised me some gifts, maybe money gifts, but I didn't receive any, and I'm okay with that. I just want to say thank you. Your greetings are highly appreciated. It's good enough for me. Thank you all, guys.